In this video today, we're going to go through step-by-step procedure on making a split bail from double half round pattern wire. Okay, the split bail is just a bail that's split on the opening. The attach is fairly simple on the back. Okay, your pattern wire, your double half round, now this is a little bit narrower, a little bit smaller wire, which I prefer the smaller size, and you can see this is a little bit narrower than the one that's on this bail. This was purchased from Rio Grande. It's .162 by 40 thousandths, and the Rio Grande number is 102006 for the size we're going to use today. Now what we're going to do first is I'll cut a piece 1.25 inches long. Okay, now I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to make sure one end is filed square, and then on that end I'm going to put a 45-degree taper on this, which will be the inside. So I'll just file it this way and I'll taper that side. On the other end I'm going to file it square, and then I'm going to put about a 45-degree taper on the other side of it. Okay, now what we'll do is we're going to take some bell pliers. It's easiest with bell pliers, and if you notice, these are flat jawed on one side, which works better. And I'm just going to clamp this in here, and I'm going to hold it just a little bit past the end where I got just a little bit sticking out of it. And I'm going to roll this around and bring it back around to the other side till it touches. Now you can see here where our taper is coming into this back piece here, and what we're going to do is, and that's why we've taped it so it'll come in flat so we can solder it. Now I'm going to straighten this up. It needs to lean back just a little bit so it's in line straight, and then I'm going to take my insulated jaw pliers and I'm going to make sure, I'm going to put just a little squeeze on here to make sure that opening is good. I don't want a gap between here. It needs to be lined up. Now what we'll do is we'll solder this in together. Okay, I've got them ready to solder. I put a little snippet of hard solder right on the inside of that bell area. I've got 2 of them here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to heat these up, but I don't want to dry that solder so fast that it causes that flux so fast that it causes my solder to come out of place. So we're going to do the same thing. It'll frost up, then it's going to start going down and it'll start turning dark. Now I want to heat the whole piece, but when it starts clearing up, I'm going to heat in the area I want the solder to flow. So it's starting to clear, so now I'm going to heat down in this area. So now you see the solder flow out. Now we're going to do the other one the same way. We'll just watch it frost up, and then it'll start drying out and going down and get a little dark. Then it's going to start clearing up. Once it clears up, it's about time for the solder to flow. Okay, now I've got it soldered and I have it sitting in the vise, and I just use a piece of felt. I have rubber jaws, but it holds better if it's more solid. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to saw a split down here on this, straight down from the top all the way down to just past where this meets on that back piece there. Okay, as you can see, I've sawed it all the way down to right here. And to try to get it in the center, now what we're going to have to do is spread this piece. Okay, the way we spread this is you can buy a spreader tool, or you can just take an old knife and cut it down and dull the end and make your own spreader tool. But what we're going to do is we're going to insert this tool right in the end of here where we've sawed it, just like this, and we're going to push it all the way down. Now you need to hold this with something, and you'll just take and you'll spread it just a little bit each direction. Now you probably have to even it up, but what you want to do is you want to spread this enough that you can take, you know, I've showed this in the early one. I just have this Rio Grande file set here, and in that set you have a knife file. Now it's narrow on one end and it's flat on the other. Now this is perfect for filing and cleaning up in here, because you want to clean off any of your saw marks and then smooth this up so it's even on both sides, and then you can sand it up and clean it up afterwards. Then all you need to do, because you'll have your bale, you'll just need to tin some solder right there. You can watch one of the other videos on installing the bale, but tin a piece of solder there, and then you can attach it to the back of your pendant. But that's all it is to it. It's a simple way to do it, and I hope this video is helpful. And I'm going to say once again, have fun, and if you'd like to learn more, just check out the Facebook group, Jewelry Techniques and Design, and we try to do a lot of helpful things there, and we do some live videos every once in a while. You can check the event schedule for that.